Hey guys, Donnie here. I'm the lead app developer for JB4 Mobile. I've had some customers contact me recently saying that a Korean company by the name of Pross had attempted to copy our JB4 Mobile app, so I thought I'd look into it myself. I have both apps open here so we can walk through the similarities, but before we start, I wanted to show some information regarding the earliest releases of JB4 Mobile and the Pross app so we can establish a timeline. On this screen, you can see that JB4 Mobile version A009 was released on Android April 18th, 2014. Giving them the benefit of the doubt, I decided to find the earliest app the Pross company produced. This was the original Pross Uncle Chip app. This app was released November 5th, 2018, and appears to have only ever been updated once since then. To compare, JB4 Mobile has had 40 public updates since its initial release, as we're always adding in new features. Regarding their new BT app, I can only find information on it starting in 2019. Now, on to the comparison. So, right off the bat, we notice that the interfaces look very similar. It's a 2x3 gauge layout with the connect and start logging buttons in exactly the same places. Next, we have the 4 tabs at the top. They have slightly different titles, but the same functions in the exact same order. The logging page is similar as well, but I wasn't able to create a log in the Pross app to compare with. The code screen is almost identical as well, if you note the read and delete codes buttons, but the more interesting part starts here in the settings page. If we look past some of the extra settings JB4 Mobile has near the top of the page, we'll see just how well everything lines up. JB4 settings equates to Uncle Chip settings. Below that, we'll see that user adjustment, WMI, also known as methanol injection, map, equivalent to module mode, and firmware are all in the same order. Directly under this group, we come to app settings in JB4 Mobile and application settings in Pross. You'll very clearly see that the exact order of options in this section in JB4 Mobile are copied in the Pross app to the point that the auto connect text is word for word identical. My conclusion is that this is a cheap attempt to copy the JB4 Mobile application. Beyond the idea of ripping off someone else's hard work, this app is also poorly coded to the point that the entire UI is laggy and jittery, even on modern devices. This Pross app appears to mainly be for show and is likely years of development behind actually competing with JB4 and the accompanying JB4 Mobile app.